and running like a psycho. Hey guys, how you guys doing? As you can see, I'm driving. I just got off of work, so I still got to take a shower. I'm on my way to pick up Kellyn so I could take her to work, and then after that I may go try and do some fishing here for you guys, get you probably a little bit of video of that. Probably gonna go only an hour, and then I'm gonna go take a shower because like I said, I just got off work. So I got about a 30-minute drive ahead of me. Nothing really too excited about it. So as you guys can see, I'm still driving. And look at this idiot in front of me. Maybe if I can. Look at this idiot. Couldn't decide what lane he freaking wanted, so he gets over last minute. Look how close he is to that dang semi. Still driving. I don't know what it is, guys, but I always see that girl walking on the highway. Like, this is a busy highway too. She's always walking on the side of the road. It actually took me less time to get here than it would for me to get here about 3:30 if I got off 4 o'clock. Less traffic. Everybody's still at work. Nobody's on the roads, but of course you got to go through all the construction and stuff, so that kind of slows you down. I think going through Alt and Eaton and Lucerne, it's only 45 on the highway, but then once you go through Alt and Eaton, it's actually 25, so that kind of slows you down a little bit. But other than that, made it in good time. She's got to be at work in an hour, so she's opening the garage, closing the garage, and running like a psycho. Well guys, I'm out here fishing. Told you I was gonna get some view for you. This is my second cast. First cast I got it snagged and I broke my line, so I had to redo it. That's no fun at all. Actually really sucks. Fishing pole. Beautiful, beautiful lake. If I get any fish, I'll make sure I put it in the video. Well guys, this is a good look of the Greeley Stampede that we said in our last video. They're still setting up, so they have to be done by Friday. Actually, they have to be done by like Wednesday or Thursday. They have to be done by Wednesday or Thursday so they could test everything and make sure all the rides are good to go, because first day of the Stampede is on Friday night. So, and then goes until I think the 4th. I think the 4th is the last day. So Friday night, Kellyn and I will sure be here. We have a concert to go to, so we'll be sure to get you guys some video of that. Other than that,
hey guys, so this is the first time I'm getting the chance to record today. I have been at work since 2 and I didn't really record this morning when I got up just because I'm lazy. Very, very lazy. Matt's here. We just got done fishing at the lake, the same one that you saw earlier in the day with Matt. We are currently driving out at the Stampede Arena. I don't know if you guys can see some rides right there and stuff. Spin Out, the Tornado, you know, some gaming tents set up, little kid rides right here. But other than that, yeah, that's about, can't really see all of it, obviously. I'm not gonna go walk around in there right now. I'll just wait till Friday to do that. We'll be out there on Friday for the Chase Rice concert. Actually, I'm very excited to see him. I wanted to see Toby Keith also, but he's on the night that we are going to the races. So, I mean, if we won tickets, we might go. It's iffy. We'll just have to see when that time comes. But that concert would be on July 1st. That's a Saturday, and so yeah, right now we are leaving the Stampede Arena, and we are going to go eat with Matt's parents and then go to his house after. So we will check back in with you guys when we are done eating.
See guys, this is all the damn construction I was talking about. This is a 2-lane highway, and they currently have it one freaking lane for both sides, or for one side, I should say. They're redoing the whole road, but they got this bullshit all the way to Alt.
Past.
Oh yeah, excuse me, past Alt, Kellyn says. So right now the speed limit's only 45 until I get Eaton. Into Eaton. And then the speed limit drops to 25. Yeah, like I said, all this damn construction. Okay guys, just got back home. Gonna jump in the shower really quick since I haven't done it yet. So get back to you after that. Currently just got out of the shower now. Here's Kellyn. Oh. Now we're just waiting on my parents so we could try and get those bikes running. My little mutt dog. Security.
Hey guys, it's Kellyn just checking in. It is currently 9:30. We are on our way back to my house from Matt's. Sorry, the lighting's really bad. We're in Matt's truck and 2 of his lights don't work, so we have to use this one right here. So all we did at Matt's house was pretty much just hang out. Matt was helping his dad fix his aunt's bikes. That's basically it, and I haven't really done a whole lot today. Yeah, we've just hung out pretty much all day. Matt has to work tomorrow. I have to work tomorrow till 5. Who knows what time Matt will be off? Do you even know what time you'll be off? So we'll see what time he is supposed to be off. Yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. Is there anything else?
Nope.
No? Alright guys, so that is it for today's video, and we will see you guys on Wednesday. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time we upload a new video. Right now we are shooting for Monday, Wednesday, Friday. During Stampede we might end up doing an everyday like every single day of the week, maybe weekends. It all just depends. So we will see you guys on Wednesday. Bye.